Hey guys, me Mikey. Welcome back to Mikey Macho Garage, and today we're going to be learning how to fix a control arm on my mom's 2013 Toyota Sienna. So if you want to find out how to fix a control arm, stay tuned. But yeah, and a disclaimer, I am just a Mikey Macho Garage mechanic and I'm not a professional. So if you want to do this, do it at your own risk, but remember, stay safe. So we're going to be using a 1/2-inch breaker bar with a 21mm socket to remove the lug nuts on the tire. Next, we're going to raise the car with a floor jack and put it on a jack stand. And now, we raise the car. And make sure to do it by the lift point. Now we're going to be using a 1/2-inch impact wrench to take off the lug nuts on the tire. That's one. That's two. That's three. What we need to take off is the control arm due to the bad bushing right there. And now we're going to be using this extension on the 1/2-inch impact wrench to take the cover off. And there's the first bolt. And the extension came off. And that's in there. Okay. Now I'm going to use this creeper to get under the car to see the castle nut. Here is the castle nut, which is a 19mm, and the first thing that we have to take off is the cotter pin. This little thing is called the cotter pin. It is very small and it was hard for us to take out. Now we're going to be using this 19mm wrench to take off the castle nut. So now we've loosened the castle nut as far as we could, and now we're going to strike the ball point with a hammer to loosen the knuckle. We had to use this fork to loosen the ball joint from the knuckle. So now we're gonna have to take off this motor mount right here. In order to remove this motor mount, we need to put a floor jack to support the bottom of the engine. We've now supported the bottom of the engine with the floor jack and a piece of wood. Now we can remove this motor mount. So now we need to take off this motor mount. And to do that, we need to take off 3 14mm bolts and 1 19mm bolt. So now to take off those 14mm bolts, we need to use a 1/2-inch impact wrench with this 14mm extension. So there's 3 17mm nuts that need to come out from the motor mount. Now we gotta take off this nut and bolt, which are both 19mm. So now we have to take off 2 21mm bolts. So here's the difference between both control arms. For this one, you shouldn't be able to move the rubbery part like that. And you can see there's cracks. on both sides. Well, this one, it doesn't have cracks, and it shouldn't be making that weird rubbery sound when you do this. So yeah, now we've put everything back in, and we put everything back in the exact opposite way we took it out. Now we're going to tighten the tire back onto the car with an impact wrench, and we're going to have to do it in a star shape. Now we're going to be using this torque wrench to torque the tire to 80 foot-pounds. So that's the end of the video. We saved a lot of money doing this. Please like and subscribe for more content. Bye!